Have you ever wanted to change the position of the volume panel on your Samsung Galaxy phone? A neat hidden option that allows you to move this panel from one side of the screen to the other can make your phone even more customizable. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily move this panel to the side that works best for you. So let's get started. First, open your Galaxy Store app. Once inside, search for the Good Lock app and install it if you don't have it. After the installation is complete, go ahead and tap the Open button to launch the Good Lock app directly. Once you're in the Good Lock app, the next thing you need to do is tap on the Life Up section at the bottom right of the screen. When you're in the Life Up section, scroll down and find the module called SmartAssistant. Once you find it, tap the download icon on the right side. After doing that, wait a few seconds for the module to download and install. Once the installation is complete, scroll to the top, and there you'll see the SmartAssistant module you installed. Tap on it to open it. Next, tap on the Continue button. On this page, you can see several options. Choose the Customize Volume Panel option. After that, the next step is to enable this option by tapping the switch in the upper right corner. Immediately after, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Custom. Now, in this section, you can see options for customizing the volume panel. To move it from one side of the screen to the other, from right to left or vice versa. First, if you don't want to use the Show Volume Level or Dual App Volume options, tap on them to disable them, as they are already enabled by default. Then, tap on the Layout option to move the volume panel from one side of the screen to the other. Once you've done that, tap on the volume panel and drag it up or down to adjust the height of the panel. This way, you can set the panel to the height that suits you best, whether you want it closer to the top or the bottom of the screen. After you've adjusted it, there's no need for confirmation, as all changes are applied immediately as soon as you make them. Now you can try out the changes by increasing or decreasing the volume. You'll see that the volume panel has appeared in the location you chose and is now in the desired position. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.